Adding buttons and folders to TouchChat HD. In order to add a new button in TouchChat, begin by navigating to the page where the new button will be located. Since the new button will be used primarily for school, we are navigating to Places, and then selecting the school folder. After this, you will select Menu, and then Edit Page. Once you select the Edit Page icon, the top will turn red indicating you are in Page Editor. From here, select the cell you wish to modify. You can then edit this button, change the button size, remove the button from the page, or copy the button. For this tutorial, we'll be editing the button. Start by giving your button a label. The label will be displayed on the button and can be different from the message. You will also want to select an image. You can select an image from the library, import from photos on your device, use the camera to take a picture, or clear the image you have selected. From this menu, you can also make changes to the button loadout, such as label location, text size, visibility of the button, and more. You can also select different actions for the button. These can include speaking the message, navigating to a page, open a website, and many other options. When you are finished editing the button, press Save on the top right of the menu, and your new button is ready to go. If you would like to make modifications to your new button, you can always go back and make the changes. Always remember to press Save when you are finished. Once finished, press Done on the top left of the screen to exit Page Editor. Congratulations, your new button is ready to use.
I am ready for recess.